removing this, you need to like push it back, and then you gotta like get under one of these lips here or to grab it. And then it comes up. But it has to hook back on here when you put it back in. That's the hard part. Okay, so to remove this cover, you want to push it a little bit that way, and then try to kind of get under here, like a little screwdriver, and then get your hand like under here, and then you're gonna kind of like, you're gonna slide, and then you're gonna pull up a little bit. And the reason you have to slide is because there's little tabs right there. So they do have to slide a little bit, and then you just lift it up, it comes off. That's how you take it off. So I opened up this Bose unit, and the remote control doesn't want to work. It doesn't turn anything on. The volume, nothing will work with the remote. I put new batteries in the remote. I tested the remote. The remote is functioning. It is sending a signal. If you get a camcorder and put it in front of the remote, which I'll show you in a bit, then you can see if that's actually emitting a signal. So this remote works, so it must mean that something going on with the unit that's not letting it power up. Look, it's volume up, down, power. I just opened this thing up, and this thing is dirty. Look at that. It was functioning, and then all of a sudden it stopped functioning. So this is my cousin's receiver. He wanted me to take a look at it. So I'm gonna blow it out. I got some compressed air. Go ahead and try it. Get out the way. Obviously, make sure this is not plugged in. The remote eye is right here. This is the ribbon for the remote eye right here. It's right there. Make sure that the ribbons are all the way in. Go connect it and see if it works. The moment of truth. Let's see if it works now. Oh, it worked. Let's see if it switches to the different. Yep. It's functioning now. All right. So it was just dust because it was actually working, and then all of a sudden stopped working. All right. So I'm going to put it back on. It's got a slide on each side. And then it's got a clip onto this bottom piece, and then these pieces just, I believe, just kind of go and snap in. So, there it is. Push down on this part right here, and it snaps into place. So you put it back together.